Hey everyone, it's Jim and welcome to Your Internet Lifestyle. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be reviewing crypto commissions today and taking a look inside the dashboard and at our own custom site and telling you all about it. Plus, I've got some really good bonuses to go along with this that you're not going to find anywhere else, and I think they really kind of go along well with crypto commissions. So I want you to see for yourself. Click the link down below if you want to go there now. Otherwise, stay tuned for a minute. All right, so let me switch over here so we can get inside the dashboard. And let's see. So once you get logged in, it's kind of like a website membership area. So, what you're going to find on the dashboard once you get inside is a whole bunch of tutorials and things to kind of explain what crypto commissions is and how to use it. Now, let me just explain a little bit in my words what crypto commissions gives you. So the whole idea is that with crypto right now, it's exploded in popularity, right? It's becoming more mainstream and it's happening fast, right? Like little announcements here or tweets here or there. And next thing you know, these cryptos have really skyrocketed in value, right? And so like I own some Dogecoin and, just for fun, right? And I bought that at less than a nickel. And, so that's been like all over the place, right? But I'm a hodler, as they say, which is, an acronym for holding on for dear life. But anyway, crypto is really kind of becoming mainstream. And so the whole idea with this product is kind of capitalizing on that from the perspective of, if you're trying to, like, if this is a subject that interests you and you want to, have a website that helps talk about crypto and then is something that you can earn money from, then that's kind of what crypto commissions is all about. Basically, what they've done here is made it so that you've got an auto-generated affiliate site. So they've gone out and found all the vendors where you just have to go and sign up and get your affiliate ID, and then they've built a whole site here using just kind of a good-looking template, and they've basically made out like a crypto news and analysis site, right? So it's already got articles and content in it. It's already got like advertising banners and all of that stuff. You just have to sign up as an affiliate to these different companies so that when people click on those banners and go, open a wallet or join one of these coin trading platforms, that you earn commissions from that. And these aren't little commissions. Often this is something like a few years ago, people were really getting into sports betting sites, and it was kind of a similar thing. So, I mean, you can get paid kind of recurring commissions or, upfront commissions based on how much people invest. And in some cases, just getting them to sign up gives you a commission. So, there's lots of different companies to sign up for, as we'll see here, and they give you specifically each one you should sign up for so that you've already got an ad, a banner ad, ready on your site, to display. So then the whole idea here is you've got this cool resource of information for crypto. You can add to it, you can tweak it how you like, customize it, put your own logo on it and stuff, and then bring traffic to it and, basically be the sort of niche expert in crypto and kind of capitalize on this, right? So like if you've, got all your friends on social media and stuff who are into crypto, or, you're all dabbing your toes in it or that kind of thing, you can be like, hey, check out my new site, right? And they come and check it out and click on some things and, maybe join Coinbase or whoever, and then you're making commissions, right? So that's kind of the whole idea with crypto commissions. And what it does is it just kind of takes away all of the upfront technology work that you would normally have to go through, and all the content creation, getting people to write articles for you and finding all the right vendors to use, as an affiliate, so you can get paid. And just having like a nice site design and everything. So it just kind of like fast forwards you through all of that, which is huge, right? I mean, even paying your neighbor's kid to create a website for you is going to cost you, at least $50 or something. I mean, so, when you think about the price point on this product, it's super reasonable, right? And that's the way I look at these things, right? Like you're getting a whole bunch of stuff done for you here just to start with the very basic front end product. So then once you get logged into your dashboard, you've got all of this training, right? So they're just going to walk you through how to use everything. Most of it's over here on the side, so you can kind of play around with your articles. Here are the preloaded articles that it comes with. And so you can edit this stuff. Also you can create new. Okay, so very cool. And what I would recommend is, since you've got some sort of generic stuff here, just either writing yourself or recording some videos, or go out and hire a writer on one of these sites like Upwork or something, and just start getting like a steady stream of written content, right? That you can share on social media, and then really become like an expert at this, or at least somewhat of an expert, to the extent that, you can start sharing on social media and getting traffic to this site. Because really, if you just buy this and let it sit there, it's not gonna like grow and earn you commissions all by itself, right? It still needs you involved to bring people to this site. And so, and they've got a ton of traffic ideas and resources here. So, that's something that you definitely want to spend some time in. So let's go back here to the tutorials. Okay, I just want to show you this, because this is where you basically want to go in here. Okay, I'm just scrolling down, right? Now, the first thing you want to do, they're going to talk you through this in the training, but you need your APIs so that when you go to your site and see that they load up fast and everything, they're super, they're good. But when you get that API key, this is what will help you get your quotes up here, right? So, so you want that stuff, and then here we go: Coinbase, BlockFi, Binance, some of the different vendors. So all you have to do is join, and then it tells you where to go to get your affiliate sign up going. Okay. And then the other cool thing you can do here is API integrate with email autoresponders. So not only can you earn commissions here, but you can start building a list in this niche, which isn't going to go away anytime soon, right? I mean, whether the markets are up or down, Bitcoin has been part of the conversation now for a decade. And there's a whole, slew of people. It's like its own niche of people who have interest in that. And so why not build an email list that you can mail offers to and talk to, right? So the way you get that integration stuff going is you just kind of go up here and integrate with the your favorite email autoresponder. I use ActiveCampaign. So you get them all set up, and then boom, you're up and running. And you can see you get these pop-ups and stuff. This is an affiliate link. Okay. If I go down the site here, there's an email sign up, right? So that's the one that's going to put it through to my form. It's got the disclaimers already done for you down here, all of that stuff. You can see here's a Coinbase banner. If somebody clicks on that, that's like, you can earn a commission from that, right? If they go and sign up on Coinbase. So it's pretty slick. And I'll tell you, the inside here just works, right? I've been through a couple of the tutorials. They tell you what to do, but you may have to watch them a couple of times because, I think there's a couple of things that they went over a little fast for my taste, but, you'll get it. It's there. So, I wouldn't say they skipped something or missed something. It's just that sometimes you have to listen a couple of times to catch everything. But for the most part, everything is pretty straightforward on the website anyway. All you have to do is basically kind of bring your own logo and, sign up to those vendors for crypto and get your affiliate links, and then start bringing traffic to this, which they talk about here in their traffic modules, right? Not that one, but the upgrades, and then also the free traffic things. So yeah, this is a training that Glenn does. So good stuff, right? And then all your bonuses are going to be here as well. So let's talk about the bonuses I've got for this, because there are a couple of good ones. Okay, so here we go. Here we are on my bonus page, and I've got these bonuses running for most of a week, but if you click down below this video, you'll get to this page, and basically what I'm giving away are 101 free traffic ideas. So again, just everything you can do to bring traffic to that site is what's going to help you earn more commissions, right? I've also worked out 2,500 email swipes, right? So for that email autoresponder that you get set up, that'll help you with some email ideas that you can basically use to start promoting stuff. White label to our YouTube course. Now, this is a huge course, and the reason I wanted to include this is because, if you've spent any time looking at crypto at all, then you know how much of the news and information around this is happening on YouTube, right? There are a few good channels, and this is what everybody talks about. When you start getting those crypto-related keywords into your videos and stuff, and you can become one of those resources too, getting a lot of traffic from YouTube right over to your site, just like I do. I basically use YouTube as my free traffic source, where I just make these videos and then send people to offers and my website. So that's what you can do as well, and that's why I wanted to include this, so that you can use this YouTube course, but there's a ton of good information in here for just getting a channel set up and getting some people to watch it. So I thought that would be a good one for you. And then also we're going to give you access to Enigma, which was a cool course from John O. Armstrong, who puts together a lot of affiliate marketing courses, and some really good ones. And this is excellent. So that's one you want to check out, especially now that you've got a site that is for affiliate marketing, right? So, all right, that is what I've got for you. There's instructions down below on this page for how to access these bonuses. They're basically just in the Warrior Plus purchase area, and that'll take you right to the download page. So just clicking that little blue Access Affiliate Bonus button once you get logged in after you buy. So hope you enjoy Crypto Commissions. I do think it's worthwhile for what you get in terms of that whole done-for-you site. And there are a few upsells that basically just help you with traffic and additional features for the website stuff. So see what you think. Click down below, and we'll see you inside. All right? And if you like this, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you would, and we'll see you in the next time.